Good morning, CDT day 74. Just packed up camp. Bugs are still out, but I'm about to head into Twin Lakes. Just wanted to show you guys one last look at this beautiful river and then the mountains in the background that I got to see pretty much all last night as I kept my rainfly open, and this morning as I've been packing up. So it's like 9:40 a.m. something like that. I wanted to sleep in just because. So 2-mile road walk on paved road with, I believe, no shoulder into Twin Lakes, and then I will get some food, update all things internet and family friend oriented, and then head back out on the trail. I don't plan on doing a big day today, maybe like 10 to 12 miles, because I don't need to. I'll reveal why in the coming days when you see my plans for getting to towns and stuff, but for now I think 10 to 12 mile day ought to do it. So let's get it. Apparently this is a pretty popular trailhead, because even behind those trees there's like a dozen more cars. So there's a ton of people here. I was wondering, because when I was waking up this morning I heard car doors slamming from like 6 to 8 a.m. and I just thought it was one person just slamming their door 100 times. This makes a lot more sense. Finally made it into the town of Twin Lakes. There's a general store over there, hotels, some other things, and then this parking area that's got a dumpster for trash. These beautiful mountains in the background. I came off of somewhere in there, or one of those Hope Pass, and then got some bathrooms here. Beautiful valley up there, which is where I stayed last night. And now I'm just going to enjoy the day a little bit, get some internet stuff done, have some food at this food truck called Punkys. I'm going to check that out in a second. So this is Punkys food truck, and when they open up I think I'm going to get me the CDT. 2 patties, pulled pork and cheese, and I might even get some loaded ribbon fries. Pulled pork and cheese on ribbon fries. Oh baby. So I'm going to enjoy some of that.
Well, what was the right one?
Finally made it into Twin Lakes. Got myself the CDT special, double cheeseburger with pulled pork on top, and then got the loaded ribbon fries. Yes, baby.
It's called the loaded
Sounds
ribbon
good.
fries.
Yep. Alright, all in all, I met and hung out with about 4 hikers. So 3 of them doing the CDT Nobo, so I'll probably be seeing them for the day or a couple days every now and again. And then a guy going southbound on the Colorado Trail. All very cool people. Turns out the guy on the Colorado Trail that actually watches my YouTube videos. So, Gadget, what's up, man? And good to meet you. So, I am now going to head out to the trail and just get a little ways up so that I don't have to spend money on a place to stay tonight. You know, I'm tired and I stink and stuff like that, but really I've only been out on the trail for like 3.5 days. And I don't really need to do laundry. I don't really need to have a shower. And so I shouldn't be spending 35 bucks just to have a spot on the floor in one of these hotel rooms with these guys. And just have a shower. So I think I'll be better off on the trail and then just treat myself when I get to my next town, which is either Silverthorne or Breckenridge, depending on if I take the alternate. But for now, time to get back on the CDT. Oh, and I forgot. Huge shout out to the general store in Twin Lakes. They are incredibly hiker friendly, and that's an awesome turnaround because apparently in years past they weren't. Didn't have very good selection, expensive, stuff like that. But now you go here and they have a 5% discount for CDT hikers if you resupply there. They have a free CDT buff band, like the cloth headbands, or a free CDT waterproof bag. You choose. So I got the buff and it's pretty awesome, so you'll probably be seeing it in some upcoming videos. It's packed away right now. So free buff, 5% discount on supplies, and they have everything a hiker needs. They even have like the bagged white meat chicken that I could previously only find at Walmart. They have fuel canisters, things that are really hard to find. Just a bunch of really cool, awesome stuff. So they're great people. So kudos to the general store in Twin Lakes. Alright, just taking a forest road that will connect me to trail. that will connect me back to the CDT in about 1.5 miles. Apparently there's good camping in about 4 miles. So I'm going to try to get there. It's after 8 p.m. I stayed here much longer than I expected because the hikers I was hanging out with are really cool. So instead of leaving at like 2 or 3 and doing 10 miles today, I'm only going to do like 4. But that's okay because it fits into my schedule for the upcoming days. The climb's getting steep already, but excellent views of Twin Lakes and the surrounding mountains. I like that. Alright, I'm off the forest road and now onto some single track, and it is surprisingly really well maintained. I say surprising because it's not official Colorado Trail, not official CDT. It's just a trail to Twin Lakes, so surprisingly good trail maintenance. Alright, I have made it to camp. I'm in my tent. It is very dark, and I don't feel like putting the flashlight on my face. But I got a little past the trailhead for Mount Elbert, so that put me about 4.5 miles in. Already did about 850 feet of climbing, so felt really good to be on trail and to skip staying in town, because I almost did. So feel pretty good about not spending another like $50. Trail is amazing, really well maintained, and I've seen a lot of people camping here so far. So hopefully I have a pretty good rest, and we'll call it a night. It's already a little after like 9:30 right now, so the sun is down. Yeah, so check out some of the photos from today and let me know what you think. That is the end of CDT day 74.